That's the first time getting on her like that. Seems alright. Whoa, Jesus. Snappy. No problem. Well, took me like 30 minutes to find the freaking GoPro, dude. That thing broke off and just flew off into the bush. It was like way down there. I was all looking up here. So the angle might be messed up because it broke the extender mount on the gripper. But we'll see. We'll run it and then check the footage when we get home. That's all you can do. You know, you're riding, you're like, what's that noise? What the hell's that? Freaking chain falling off or something, you know what I mean? You had to pull back down to the frame. She's pretty solid. She's a handful. Ah! probably couldn't stay in a rut if you paid me $1 million. Right now. Gotta get back on it. That in third, dude. I think that's why I was bogging so much. Usually second's pretty strong, but right when I hit that lip at the beginning of the hill climb, something in my eyes, something in the goggles flew in my eye. So I closed my eyes for a second, and I opened them, and there was like a rock. And I hit the rock, and then I couldn't see when I landed, and then, yeah, it was like amazing. So then I was like, I guess second gear, barely making it up the lip. And that's all I gotta say about that. That's the stuff you miss out on, man. Just the adrenaline. You know what I mean? I definitely feel it. Definitely out of shape. Definitely hot out here though. Whew. Take a little break.